Hello and welcome to a new episode of the CTO Show with Mehmet. Today, I want to talk about how a new set of technologies is helping startups and products being launched very quickly and easily. In today's modern world, technology became an integral part for any entrepreneur and startup founder in general. There are new sets of technologies that are allowing these people to even come up with their ideas, products, without the necessity of having technical backgrounds to launch their products and services in matter of days, if not hours sometimes. So the benefit of these technologies is that they are allowing technical and non-technical founders to benefit from using these tools to launch their services. Some of the technologies that they are leveraging is like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, no-code, automation, so they can have these sets of technologies to come up with the product or service to the market in no time. In addition, the technology is allowing these founders or entrepreneurs to get the idea to be tested really quickly. And in the world of startups and entrepreneurship, testing the idea and getting feedback quickly is crucial and paramount if you want to understand if you have a product market fit. So this is very, very important. If you want to focus only on these sets of technologies, I would recommend 3 main categories, or maybe 4. So the first one is AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is allowing anyone to generate copywriting materials. Like I showed you yesterday, you can generate some pitch decks, and you can generate also copywriting material for your website. Even you can have your whole website or landing page to test your idea designed and produced by AI. This is really a time saver, especially if we think about non-technical founders. It also saves their resources. The second thing I want to mention here is that these AI tools, they save money as well, because these entrepreneurs or startup founders, they don't need to just make big bets and then spend tons of money on some landing pages or arts to come up with their testing arena for their ideas. They just can do it using these tools which are available online. The second technology I want to recommend or talk about today is no-code. So no-code is what is allowing people with no programming background, building blocks, to come up with a whole idea by just drag and drop some components and then put them all together. And again, some of these tools are integrating with AI as well to help these founders or entrepreneurs to get their idea live. So very important topic, no code. I will share some resources in the episode description so you can learn more about what I'm talking about. The third one I want to talk about from technology perspective is automation. Automation is allowing also non-technical founders to bring whatever they have built using no code to talk to each other. So for example, think about they have built a maybe email capturing form, and they have some process to go and do some registration for a user. So you can automate the whole thing. There are plenty of tools online that you can leverage that. Again, I will put some resources in the description. And using these technologies, really, like the no-code AI automation, plus on top of that, you just need the fourth one, I would say, is to know how to use the social network. So the social network, how you can attract people to test your idea and come up with a creative concept that people would love. And I'm seeing also there's a hype. I can see there's a gold rush currently in this space, because these tools are really making anyone's dream that he had maybe years ago, because they were saying, oh, I don't know how to do programming. I don't know how I can design a landing page. So all these obstacles, let's call them, are fading away, because now the technology is allowing anyone to build a product or service. Just as I said, if not in days, you can do this in matter of hours. Now, by taking the advantage of these technologies, I'm sure that we are going to see more and more entrepreneurs will leverage this and they will come up maybe with the next big thing. Thank you for listening to this podcast today. If you really enjoyed it, I would love to have your feedback on that. I would love to hear also any ideas you want me to mention or talk about. If you want me also to have some guests out on this podcast in the future, of course, I will be more than happy to try to get them as guests on my podcast. Thank you very much, and I will be in touch with you in the next episode. Bye bye.